Hello and welcome to another 6th Gen Farmer. Today we are continuing soybean harvest. Still a little sick, but we're starting out today. I gotta pick up the header trailer because we're moving fields and the combine. We drove the combines to the field that they're currently at, but we have quite a drive to our next field. So gotta pick this thing up and get it out of here. That was the worst backup job I've ever done in my life. Wow. What's the plan?
We don't really have one.
Cool.
I might drive over to Speckman's and see what it looks like.
Hop in with you?
Sure.
Windy. These ones are already shriveling up.
Damn. They just never, with the drought they never, that's all the bigger they are. They're just the BBs.
So here's a problem that we've been facing. See all this green in here yet? I don't even know how to explain it.
Well, ugly looking bean. We haven't any rain all year. They've been drought stressed. It's really nice to have a rain on them like this time of year to even them out. And some died early, some that had a little moisture did not die, so they're uneven. For some reason this bean, we got fairly dry beans on a green stem. And
Yeah, no, we were combining last night. When I got done filling up one of the trucks, I hopped out and went and looked at the grain sample, and there were literally shriveled up little tiny beans next to other beans I could smash my fingers yet. They were so moist. So these aren't quite that bad.
These are pretty dry. They're just hard to combine. They're not.
Yeah, green stems and dry beans is not a.
We do a lot of it. We always do. Try to keep them. You want to combine them at 13% moisture, and these are probably 10, and they're still not really ready to combine.
Yeah.
But combine them we will. In about 15 minutes.
You know, it could be worse. We could have a drought year. We could be fighting mud at harvest.
Yeah, well, we're not done yet either.
True, we're not done. All right, my dad's already headed over to the field with the S780. Dustin's not quite here yet for 9870, so we'll get the one going. I'll go over there with the grain cart. Not like I need to hurry or anything. Soybeans are all yielding like crap, but still be needed eventually.
Trouble in sight, beating hearts don't lie, an empty page, a story to write. I'm in love, you're divine, and it's all in our signs. We're going away, get your bag, check the tag, decision is made, lock your door, need no more, it's already paid. Cancel your mail for a while. It's a journey for life, and I'm
going. Yep. So when we open a new field, the first thing we usually do is we try and calibrate the monitor and the combine to make sure it's accurate. So because we have a fairly because we have a fairly accurate scale in the grain cart here, to zero out the scale, he does a load test on his combine. So basically he starts a new test, he combines a while, we unload into the grain cart, I then tell him the weight, he enters it on his monitor, which then calibrates it, so that way he's showing accurate numbers in the combine. 19,100. Gatorade Zero sucks. Ugh. Chris, if you're gonna leave me some stuff to drink, at least give me some good stuff. That's nasty. Da, 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 da. The one thing that's different about filming while farming, rather than just straight farming, is on my own radio. Normally I'd be jamming out, I'd have a Bluetooth thing set up, and just be head bobbing. But when I have the camera on, I can't do that, sadly.
Electrolyte, alkaline.
What, 9.5 pH, what does that even mean?
I don't know, it was on sale.
Healthy water.
I mean, if you're tight, you can get, I don't know. Batteries, aren't they alkaline?
You got it all figured out? Alright. Almost go over. I got blasted.
When I wrote this down on the game rolling depth chart, tell me if this does not freak you out. Andy Lee, their runner, 18 year pro-kid. He's only had one block in the last 7 years, but only 5 blocked.
Are the Vikings still winning, or? By how much? 7. They probably won't be by the end of the day. They usually are. Are the Beans doing decent here, or comparatively?
What's decent?
I don't know. Better than last night.
Yeah. Hello, countries.
Okay, well that's not terrible. Could be. Could be a lot worse.
Last night they were a lot bad. A lot worse.
Last night they were terrible.
Same variety.
Is this the same variety? Interesting. There's somebody that commented in a previous video saying that their field view and their JD operations is way off, but they're only off 0.3 bushels.
They're right on.
Yeah. No, I mean the field view puck's taken it straight from the combine, so they should be identical. And they're dark close, so.
You tell them how many hours it took me to set up? Combine get talking and view and
yeah, so John Deere Operations Center took me forever. I mean, okay, so I did it backwards first. So I took stuff from Field View, put it on JD Operations Center, and then I put the monitor stuff on there. But we have different client name for Field View than we do on John Deere, our monitors. Okay. So nothing lined up at all. I couldn't get the guidance lines over to the right fields. It was a mess. So then I had to delete everything, take it from the monitor, and then bring in everything from Field View, and then hand draw all the boundaries and everything, and then add some guidance lines that were on a different monitor that I didn't have. And I probably have like 15, 16 hours.
oh, I thought it was any more than that.
Nah, it's probably maybe a little bit, but a lot of time put into getting it all set up. But pushing over there. Have you had any troubles pushing, or?
Yeah, all day.
That right side?
That one's been run the headless slow. Oh man.
Well, the sad thing is these beans the pods are so darn low to the ground. Alright, well, I have to head back to college, so if you let me out here at the end, that'd be great. Appreciate it.
Other running backs.
It's a much better.
That's a good note to leave off on. Okay, see you next one.